G'day guys, how's it going? Hey, today I've got a corker of a recipe for you. It's a winter warmer because at the moment it's winter here in Australia and each morning it's about 11 degrees Celsius. And yeah, the recipe's name is Trev's Awesome Poached Eggs in Tomato Sauce with cheesy dipping fingers. Alrighty, let's hook in. So, first of all, what we need to do, we've got the pan heated up, chuck in some butter, maybe about a teaspoon or something, and a little bit of your favourite oil. And that stops the butter from burning. Alright, listen to that sizzle. Now, I've already cut up the onion and the what do you call this stuff? Capsicum. Alright, I was cutting up the onion just before we turned the camera on, and I had tears coming down. Oh man, this stuff is strong. Right, so in with the onion and in with one capsicum. So it's one onion, one capsicum. And I wasn't quite prepared. So here's my wooden spoon. Can you see that, camera lady? Alrighty. So now what we've got to do is we've got to brown this off for 5 minutes. Just to soften it up. And with the magic of camera technology, we'll be back in a second. Alrighty guys, it's been cooking for about 5 minutes. As you can see. Oh, that's grandbaby number 4. Alright, so now what we need to do is we need to put in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Straight in. Very simple recipe. Basically just chuck everything in. Now, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, powdery stuff, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Oh man, that's a lot of 1 teaspoons, isn't it, camera lady? And a little swazzle of black pepper. Right, so that's it for all your flavours. Now we have to add 2 400 gram tins of tinned tomato. Alrighty. 1 and 2. Okie dokie. And when you use the tinned tomatoes, you don't have to worry about if tomatoes are in season. Even though I think tinned tomatoes are always in season these days, I think. Anyway, don't smush them up too much, just give them a little bit of a, maybe squish them in half a little bit. And now what we need to do is turn that down and let it all simmer for another 5 minutes. Alrighty. So we'll do that magic TV thing, and to you it'll be 1 second. To me it'll be 5 minutes. Alrighty guys, 5 minutes in, and what we're going to do is we need to get a bit more volume of a liquid. So we're going to pop in one cup. Did I just say that funny? Did I say 1 cup? 1 cup of water, and most of that will just reduce down, but we need to get this whole saucy thing going on. And then another 5 minutes. Alrighty guys, it's been another 5 minutes. She started to thicken up and become delicious and juicy and tomatoey. So now it's time to add the eggs. Rightio. So now you can add as many eggs as you want. I'm gonna add, how many eggs do you want? Camera lady?
I'll just have one, thank you very much, sir.
One, thank you very much. Alright. So I think I'm gonna have 3. So 4 eggs. Let's just do 5. Alright, so in with the eggs. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now you can dig a little hole for them and put them in, but I reckon they just splash down in anyway. 4 and 5. That seems pretty good to me. Alright, camera lady. I have just been out in the garden and I picked a shallots? I always get those two confused. Anyway, and some parsley. So, what we're going to do is we'll just turn the simmer up just a little bit so those eggs start cooking. Where's my knife? Here it is. And we're going to cut up this stuff and chuck it on top. Alrighty. Grandbaby number 4 squeaking in the background. Alrighty, so you just cut that up nice and fine and sprinkle it on top. Hang on. I seen this bloke do it once. Ready? What do you reckon? Hey? I reckon that's pretty fancy, eh? Pretty la-dee-da. Hey, camera lady.
Yeah?
What sort of gun does a military chef use?
I don't know.
An assault rifle.
Oh man.
Alright, I'm going to turn this down a little bit. Seems like it's cooking a bit crazy fast. Alright, let's have another close up. Look at that. You know what? I reckon I'm going to chase up some cheese and put it on top. I'll get back to you in a sec when I've got some cheese. Alrighty guys, I've been cooking for another 5 minutes. So now what I'm going to do is get the cheesy toast ready. So basically all it is a cheese toasty. So butter one side of the piece of bread, put some cheese on, like so. And then we just pop it in the toasting machine. Now I'll just pop it in the toasting machine. Like so. And that'll be about 5 minutes. Alrighty, so now what I'm going to do, these eggs are just about done. What I'm going to do is pop on some grated cheese. Like that. Ooh, how fancy does that look? Just like that. Hey, camera lady.
Hey, what?
Did you hear about the Italian chef that died the other day?
No.
No? Yeah, no, he passed away.
Pasta. Oh shit.
Oh, I'm on fire today. I am on fire today. Alright, let's check these eggs. I reckon these eggs are ready. I'm going to turn it off. Alright, we need an exhaust fan. Alright, I'm going to go over here and get my delicious, yummy, cheesy toast. Tell you a little trick when you're doing cheese toasties. Let the cheese hang out over the edge, and that way you get these crunchy, delicious, edgy bits. So what we do is we slice them into 3 3 lines like so. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I didn't show you, but I put some mayo on here too with the cheese. Then we cut this bad boy into 3. Just like so. So you got your little cheesy bread soldiers. I'll be back in 1 minute to show you how to plate him up. Alrighty, let's plate up this bad boy. Here we go. One delicious, juicy egg. Woohoo! And then another one. Oh yeah. Let's go 3. Let's not muck around. Look at that. And then you grab your cheesy dipping bread, which is all delicious and stretchy like so. Alright. I reckon I'm going to do a taste test. I reckon I'm going to do it right now. Alrighty, let's give it a go. Are we looking? Yeah, look at that. That's yummy. I think I need a spoon. Let's give it a go. So anyway, guys. That is yummy. Let's try some egg. Ooh, I can feel that chili. It's doing a bit of a chili burn on my throat. No, that's delicious. Anyway, guys, if you're looking for a nice winter warmer in the morning, especially during these winter months, then that's the way to go. Alright guys, don't forget to share and subscribe and all that other stuff, all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next one. Ta-da.